All right, question number 3. Mark used the place value discs to represent the number of people in attendance at the Super Bowl in 2013. How many people attended the Super Bowl that year? So we have our place value discs. We have 10,000s, thousands, tens, and ones. So I'm going to make my place value chart. 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, comma, hundreds, tens, ones. So I've made my place value chart. And I'm going to start plugging these in. So my 10,000s, how many 10,000s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write a 7 in my 10,000s. How many thousands do we have? Just 1. I'm going to put my comma. Do we have any hundreds? No hundreds. I'm going to put a 0. How many tens? 2. And how many ones? 4. 71,024. 71,024. Letter C was your correct answer.